Hi everyone, hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Unijax Nyarminawala. Thank you my subscribers, and if you've not subscribed, please subscribe, share, and don't forget to like and comment. Today I went shopping. I got here, I've packed because I wanted to confirm whatever was packed is in the receipt. I'll start with my oil. This is Elianto. 3 liters. Hopefully it will be enough for a whole month. I got here CIL long grain rice 5 kg. This is milk, a box of milk, 12 pieces. I know it will not be enough, but at least it will last for some time. And then I got here sugar, 2 packets 4 kg. These are just what I bought and we forgot to drink. I got here my mandazi flour. I got Ajab. For mandazi, I love Ajab wheat flour for my mandazi, because kitambo I used to do Ajab for both chapati and mandazi, but one day I tried Raha, and Raha has now become the mother of them all in chapati. So I normally use this. This is Raha all-purpose baking flour, wheat flour. So this is what I normally use. I got 2 pieces. And then I have a friend of mine. If you are watching this, please, you hooked me here and I'm still in. Like, stopping is just so hard. Grace, if you're watching this, you told me to try Grace's yogurt biscuit lemon, and here it is, still locked in. Yeah, so I got lemon biscuit. The only problem is one is luminous green lid and the other one is colorless. So I don't know what the difference is, but I'm going to try so that I can see what is there. But both of them lemon biscuit flavored. Of course, I got my cheddar sandwich sliced butter. I have here, this is aluminum foil, not cling film, sorry. Yeah, so with this is Jama bar soap. I got 2 pieces 1 kg, so there are 2 pieces 4 kg, right? 1 kg, now 2 pieces 2 kg. The only reason I like this soap is because it doesn't break. This soap doesn't break at all. You know, there are those bars of soap, like if you wash and then maybe zinaisha, it doesn't break at all. That's why I use this one, and it's my sister who told me that secret. So up to now I'm still using this. And for my sufurias, I like when they are so shiny and clean. That's why I normally use this Sokoni steel wool, and I'll buy the chemicals and mix so that I get that liquid soap. If you use that liquid soap with this one, or whitewash bar soap, yeah. And then for my toothpaste, I normally have Colgate charcoal. I hope it lasts 1 month up to February. Naivas, we are tunaonana February, please, summer end of January, yeah. And then for my son, I got these 2 bottles for school. Hey kids, Ama, is it only me, like my son doesn't come with with bottles back at home? I don't know where they normally lose them, because even if you go to school to ask, or even where, you cannot find those bottles. So I hope this one will last a whole term. So this one for my son to school. And then the TikTokers. I was watching TikTok and I saw a certain lady from TikTok, or a TikToker, recommend this one, nice and lovely body lotion, ginger and honey. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, that is what that TikToker recommended, and let me just go and try, because you know these things, it can work in your body and it doesn't work on mine. So let me just go and try. That's why I bought a small piece. I go and try. For my boy, I got this Vaseline perfumed. I don't like when someone is just like too plain. At least he's got a little smell, so that's why I normally buy Vaseline perfume. This one will last him 6 months. You see, I've saved. And then for my bathing soap, I got Zuri. Page here is yellowish in color, but inside the soap itself is white with nice smell, sweet aroma. I really like this soap. If you want the white one, Zuri, this one here. I hope you can see it. Yeah, this one here. I really like this soap. Maybe if you try it and it was on offer, try it and then you let me know in the comment section what your experience with this soap was, because I really love it. I like it. Yeah, it's a product of Menengai. I like the smell and everything, and this white. I don't like the pink or the green one, aloe vera or something. No, I got 6 pieces. 6 pieces, enough for 1 month. And then of course I got this serviette here. This serviette from Naivas serviette. Yeah, this serviette, I like the texture and also the quality. Like, it's a little bit hard, such that if you wipe your hands, you won't see like some small particles on your hands, and then it absorbs so fast. Like, you can use it and reuse it. Like, you can use it once, then you wash your hands again and use that piece again, because it absorbs, and then it's a little bit tough. It's not too thin. At least I like the texture anyway. Yeah, so that's why I got that one. And then of course this one, Sunlight with the lavender. That's what I got. It was on promotion or discount. They were selling it like, this is 1 kg plus 400 grams added, promo pack. Yeah, I got that one. And then wow, 15 rolls mega pack at less than 600. Yeah, this will be enough for my family for a whole month, I know. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you guys for watching. And for these products, please, yeah, if you find a product on discount or promotion, please just go with it. Yeah, so that's it for today, guys. See you again next time. Otherwise, bye. So I was just giving my honest opinion about the products I use, and it is not like an advertisement related, or that I was advertising any product here. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Bye.